Wanna Give Me Love. 32 counts, 2 walls, high intermediate, rolling 8. This dance start facing 10:30. Weight on the left. Section 1. Right twinkle. Cross, side rock, recover. Scrub to 12. Cross, sweep. Cross, sweep. Weave. Cross, side, behind. 2 sway. Sway right, sway left. 5th 8, step hitch. Step quarter forward, hitch 3/8. 3 run, left, right, left. Now facing 7:30. Count section 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and Section 2. Cross 3 back, back, facing 12. Left coaster step. Forward, full turn, half forward, half back, facing 12. Make a quarter turn facing 9 o'clock. 2 balance step. Side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Side left, look over left shoulder. Full rolling line with the cross. Quarter forward, half back, quarter side, cross. Count section 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Section 3. Side right, point left toe behind. Make a 3/4 unwind. Weight on the right, back to 12. Forward left with sweep. Make a half tick-tock turn. Step, left heel in, right heel out. Now facing 6. Left back rock, recover. 3/4 turn, half back, quarter side. Now facing 3. Caesar cross, side together. 1/8 forward. Now facing 4:30. Count section 3. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and Restart here on wall 1 and wall 3. So the last section, section 4, only dance on the back wall. Back wall section 3 finish here. See the cross facing 10:30. Section 4. 3/8 diamond follow away. Cross, side, back, behind, side, forward, facing 3. Right foot, forward, point out, touch beside. Left, forward, point out, hitch. 2 cross, back, back. Cross, diagonal, back, back. Cross, diagonal, back, back. Cross right over, make a full spiral. Facing 3. Make a 3/8 run around. Quarter, quarter, quarter. Now facing 10:30. And start the front wall again. Count section 4 of the back wall. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and whole dance count. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and restart. Wall 2. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and then you repeat the same for wall 3 and wall 4. Wall 5, only 2 counts to end the dance. 1 and 2. That's the end of the whole dance.